I believe this is. Last steering wheel. It's really nice. Really, really nice. Came with the hub, the adapter, and it's very small. 320 millimeter. I don't know what that is in inches, maybe 13. But as you can see, it has a really good look, good feel to it. Alrighty, so I went ahead and disconnected the battery and let it sit for a minute. The next thing I'm gonna do is remove the airbags. So then you move this out. You gotta carefully disconnect this plug. Millimeter. Lock the steering wheel. Anywhere, but there's a little door here that you have to pry down, and this is the airbag connector. That's how you get this off. I'm not 100% sure, but allegedly this pin has to come out because this is for airbags only. So now after you take this cable off for the airbag, the other thing you may want to do is remove the bolster and disconnect this cable going to the airbags, these two. And that right there will completely disable this light from coming on. Alright, there you have it. The same perspective from before, from inside the car. You can really see the difference here. It actually clears the dashboard before it came up here. So, I don't know, it's a lot smaller. I like it. And I do have space here, and a lot of people say that it interferes here, but this one doesn't.